got you right all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you've been here, make sure you tell a friend to come and pull up. So this is my first time doing a voiceover, and today we're going to be talking about a bottom lash tutorial. Alright guys, for starter, I am going to go ahead and look at the eye and make sure I have no stickies. After that, I am going to lift my tape up just a tad bit so I can get access to see the bottom lashes when it is time to start lashing. So the essentials that I'm going to need is a mirror. I'm going to also need my bottom lash trays, whatever tweezers you prefer, and I do have a fan that is above me. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the memory foam tape off of her eye, and I'm going to take that tape off that memory foam just to save, inventory. And I'm going to place it up under her bottom lashes and pull down. So that also gives me access as well to see her bottom lashes. Mind you, this whole time I will have a fan on above her, so it won't be too much burning for her. So yeah, I'm going to place that tape there. And when I place that tape, I'm going to pull down. And at this moment, I am going to go ahead and hit that fan. So I'm going to tap her chin and lift her head up, so therefore I can have access. So what I would do is I place my first lash in the inner corner, and then I'll place my second lash a little bit spaced out, so therefore I won't have stickies when I'm lashing, if that makes sense. If you're a lash tech, you should get it. But I will go in and go ahead and fill up the front first, because that is where the tear little circuit, I can't even remember the name of it, but it's where your tears start forming it in the middle of your eyes. I go ahead and get that part out the way. And as I'm lashing her, I do continuously ask her, hey, is there any burning? And the reason I ask frequently is because of the simple fact that I don't want her eyes to be red from the fumes. And also I don't want her to get a chemical burns. Like, I always want to come back and retrace my steps of making sure that my client is comfortable and she's having a pain-free service. So always make sure y'all go back and ask your clients, hey, is there any burning? Just things in that nature, just common sense things. And as you can tell, I am moving at a slow pace. I'm not rushing, because of the simple fact that I don't want, to mistakenly drop a lash in her eye with glue. So, yeah. And after I finish that eye, I sit there for about 10 minutes with the fan on her eye. And then after my process with the fan, I will go back in, depending on how dark my client want her bottom lashes, and fill in little small gaps where I can actually place a lash. And then I will go ahead and I will check out my work to make sure my work is looking good. And then I will start on the next eye if there is no tearing up or no crying. And while I'm on that second eye, I will repeat the same steps, making sure there's no burning, making sure that she's comfortable, just all the things that you're supposed to do. Like, it's just common sense to just make sure that your client is comfortable and she's not burning, y'all. So after I would go through the process of finishing up the second eye, I will grab a glue nozzle cleaner and clean up her tears. Just let that soak up her tears, and I will actually let her sit up under the fan for a good 10 more minutes before she get up. And through this process, I still will ask her, hey, is there any burning? Y'all know y'all gotta ask that part. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this has helped you, create your bottom lash sets. And I'll just see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Baby, I'm talking crazy.